Hi everybody, welcome to Tuesday Techniques. This is Ginell Cooper, and this week I'm going to teach you how to take any sample swatch. You can actually plan your sample swatches out to be a particular size, and then we can turn them into twisted head wraps. You can actually work efficiently that way. You can practice your stitches, and then you can turn it into something beautiful at the same time. So what you want to do when you're doing your little practice swatches for your new stitches is kind of focus on what size you want to make them. So for me, I just try to always make them about 4.5 inches by 20 inches because I am a small adult. But if you are making them for toddlers, you can make them smaller, or children. They're great for selling and distributing, giving to, people in need, that sort of thing. So they're super fast and they're really fun to make, and they're very pretty. So I'm going to show you how it's done. It's very easy. All you want to do is, it's kind of nice if you're planning ahead to finish out your swatch and then just leave a long tail on the end. I did not do that. So we're actually going to knot this in just like a normal sewing project. But what you want to do is you want to take your two ends. On this is the lemon peel stitch that I taught last Saturday, and you can check it out on Saturday Stitches if you want. But it doesn't have a front or back. It's just two-sided. So it doesn't matter which direction you take it. All you do is you bring it up the sides like this, and you fold it in half, and then you bring them together. They kind of remind me of like little puppet mouths. And then you just sort of lock them together like this so that they are evenly placed. And then all you're going to do is sew those together. So start here with a little edge, pick up that edge, and go all the way through. And then just come back the way you came. And just do that back and forth all the way across. Pretty tightly. And it doesn't really have to be every stitch, but it can be if you want it to be. Okay, and that little guy wants to slide down there. Just make sure you don't miss him. Go to the very edge. And then you can knot this one just like the other side. And then all you do is you just turn it right side out like that. And you have a perfect little twist. And then just weave in your ends and you're good to go. You can actually kind of shape that. So cute. Okay, so what do you do if it's something that is definitely got a front and a back to it? Like this is the Alpine stitch, also taught in Saturday Stitches last week. And all you want to do is just make sure that you have the right side forward. Fold your sides together like this. So that you're doing all your sewing on the wrong sides, basically. So wrong side's out, right side's inside there, and then sew all that together, and then when you flip it out, the right sides will be on the outside. Give me a second and I will show you how they look finished. Okay guys, here you go. Here is the lemon peel one completed, and my ends are all woven in, so very cool. And then we added this one. This is the Alpine stitch. That looks really cute, I think. And then this one, I got a little fancy, and I did some fancy stitches on this one. So this one's just a combination of, this is just a foundation row of single crochet, and then this is the bead stitch, which I'm going to teach on Saturday Stitches this upcoming Saturday. And then this is lemon peel, bead stitch, and then I finished with single crochet and then just a slip stitch on top so that it was nice and even and symmetrical. Super easy. And now look what I have. I have 3 completed Christmas gifts. Yay! So very, very easy. You can whip these out really quickly, and they're a lot of fun to make. So I hope you enjoy that. I think that next week we will talk all about magic circles and when to use them and how to use them and all of that. And if there's anything you would like to see me teach on Tuesday Techniques, just leave it in the comments, or you can join us on Facebook at Ginell's Quarantine Crochet, and you can actually help me decide everything that I choose to make. Coming up soon, I have my poncho video that I will be hopefully sharing very quickly before Thanksgiving, and I hope to see you on all those. See you next week.